Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can refinance loan through Credit Karma. So let's jump right in. While the best way to do this is through their official website, you can also use the Credit Karma mobile app, which offers the same features and functions. Once you're on the platform, you'll see several options including credit cards, loans, and other financial tools. Since we're focusing on loans, go ahead and click on the Loans section. At this point, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Credit Karma account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it using your email and a secure password. From here, you'll see a variety of loan categories available such as personal loans, debt consolidation, same-day loans, emergency loans, major purchase loans, and home improvement loans. You'll also find helpful resources like articles and loan calculators. I highly recommend using the loan calculator first to get a clear idea of how much you may be eligible to borrow and what your monthly payments could look like. Once you're ready, simply select the loan type that best fits your needs. For example, if you choose same-day loans, you'll be taken to a page where you can enter the loan amount, your credit score range, and other details. Based on this, Credit Karma will show you personalized loan offers at the bottom of the page. To proceed with any offer, you'll need to be signed in. Please note that this service is currently only available in the United States, so if you're located outside the US, you won't be able to complete the full process. However, you can still browse the tools and gather helpful information for the future.